Good morning to all. This is your Guru Mohar book. First, open it, chapter number 3rd and page number 20. Okay, the starting point. First of all, we read chapter and then question answer. Okay, and then after question before question answer, we use some we give some words to make sentence in your homework. So watch it till the end. Okay, the starting point is the story about Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh is an athlete, and also known as a flying Sikh. So yes, this is a real story of Milkha Singh, and Milkha Singh. This is an autobiography. We can say this is an autobiography because मिल्खा सिंह ने अपने एक्सपीरियंस लाइफ के शेयर किए हैं राइटर के साथ और राइटर ने लिखी है, तो इस तरह के लिखी स्टोरी को हम ऑटोबायोग्राफी कहते हैं. ओके, so what was the important part in the story? Actually, he is best remembered for his 4th place finish in the 400 meters final at the 1960 Olympic Games. His 4th place time of 45.73 seconds became the Indian national record then and was held for almost 40 years. So now read it. Now reading start. 3 fortunate incidents that occurred in January 1953 when I was a new recruit in the army. Changed the course of my life. Changed the course of my life. After the morning roll call on one Saturday, there was an announcement that a 6-mile race was to be held the next day. It means कि next day 6-mile race होने वाली है. All 500 recruits would participate in this event. The top 10 would be exempt from the fatigue duty and be given a glass of milk every day during the training period. Okay, so what was the gift? उन्हें क्या गिफ्ट मिलने वाला था? A glass of milk every day. The next morning we reported at the starting line wearing canvas shoes, vest and khaki shorts. The whistle blew and we set off, filled with a sense of mission. I ran as fast as I could. Then reward of getting a glass of milk was a big treat for me. Okay, so I had suffered great want and deprivation in my childhood. I took the lead. In the first 2 or 3 miles, I would rest a while if I felt tired and then run again. When I saw others catching up, luck was with me that day and I finished 6th in the race. Okay, so read it carefully. Now choose the correct answer to complete the sentence. On finishing 6th, Milkha Singh was overwhelmed with joy by the promise of a sporting career या फिर sporting career, all the cheering from the friends and strangers alike, the happiness that he was bringing his family. So what is the correct answer? Yes, B, all the cheering from friends and strangers like. The correct. Next, Milkha Singh was surprised that he was chosen to run the 400-meter event because he had never before run 400 meters. No, he had not completed his training. No, he did not win the cross country 400 meters and he did not cross the country. What is the reason? The reason is he had never before run a 400 meter race. उन्होंने कभी 400 मीटर की रेस नहीं जीती, कभी भी दौड़ी नहीं थी अपने करियर में उस टाइम तक जिस टाइम इन्हें मिली थी. फर्स्ट टाइम था उनके लिए. दिस इज द करेक्ट. तो इसलिए वो सरप्राइज थे. ही वॉज सरप्राइज्ड. नेक्स्ट, द यूरेका मूवमेंट helped him decide that he wanted to run for India and make his country proud. Plan better for one Olympic for the Olympics, and next decide to join the sports academy. So what is the correct answer? Yes, A. Decide that he wanted to run for India and make his country proud. Yes, take the correct. Next, Milkha Singh was not disheartened that he come fourth in the 400-meter event because he had run the race with the India's best athlete. He had ensured his place on the 4 into 400 relay team. Yeah, there is no place for disappointment in sports. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. जो उनका फर्स्ट रिएक्शन था वो ये था कि मैं हारा हूं, उनसे कम आया हूं, लेकिन मैं जिनके साथ मैंने रेस की है वो इंडिया के बेस्ट एथलीट हैं. सो ही हैड रन द रेस विद इंडियाज बेस्ट एथलीट्स. ओके. मिल्खा सिंह प्रैक्टिस्ड एवरी नाइट बिकॉज क्यों पूरे मतलब हर रात प्रैक्टिस करते थे बिफोर डिनर? Because he was not allowed the practice during the day. He wanted to be champion in the 400 meter. He was forced to do so by his regiment leader. No, he wanted to be champion in the 400 meter race. वो 400 meter race में champion बनना चाहते थे. So वो every night बहुत hard practice करते थे. So this is enough, and do it in your notebook. Okay. Do it in your notebook. These are some words for making sentence. So this is your homework. So yeah, or you can say activity work you can do. Okay. Run. So you can make Milkha Singh run very fast. Okay. Milkha Singh runs very fast. Reward training. And next, nervous and disappointed. So these are some words you have to make sentence and write in your notebook.